me, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
So in this little quick video, guys, we're gonna be installing a new cup holder. I guess it's a cup holder bracket. It's the cover, cup holder cover on a 2009 Mercedes. So we took it apart. Pretty easy. It's a real easy so we're going to be removing this piece here. There's one screw that went there, and then this is where your little change thing goes. I emptied that out. Got to clean that. But yeah, one screw there. This is a screw that I took out. Once you take that screw out, like I mentioned in one of my other videos, get you a set of these different ones because they come in handy. You're going to want to prop up the side, work your way down, and you want to be careful. See, you want to be careful with it. It's pretty easy, but it's all clips, but you don't want to break any of these. So it's a real easy install, to be honest with you. I had one of these little pry bars in 7/16, I believe. One screw that is gonna go right there. That's where your your change holder is, and it ends up clipping under there. It's pretty much all clips. Here's the old one. See, this was all peeling, all scratched up. Here's a new one. And I will put the description down in the link. So to put this one in, you're gonna want to slide it in like this. Once you slide these pieces in, push it in right there, and start clipping from down here. And that's it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. So that was that. I'm excited about the car. I'm actually taking it. I'm actually excited this week. I'm taking it to my paint guy. He's gonna paint the car in some areas that are that need a little touch up. So I'm gonna get the car repainted and see how it goes from there. I'm try to get some footage of that. Maybe do a video of the process of the whole painting that he did. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go subscribe to the channel. 95% of the people that are watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So y'all go check out my channel, man. Subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of little install videos or how to do it yourself videos, but also the process of my you know, my cars. So y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Comment, like, subscribe. I done said that, but yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Till next time, peace.